means that finally the door for accession to the European Union is credibly open. It is now a matter of working hard on advancing negotiations and meeting the criteria, also for the other Western Balkan countries that are candidate countries to join the European Union sooner rather than later. The agenda of transformation is very well known. It's meeting all the EU criteria. It's a lot of technical work, but it's also and mainly a matter of transformation of the society, of the way in which things are done. This is also why, as director of the College of Europe, I'm very proud that we are starting a program in the region, opening a campus in Tirana, where we will train and form the generation of leaders of the Western Balkans, but also of the European Union, to accompany and make this accession process a reality. The European Union can support and assist a lot, and it does. Recently, there is this new initiative of the growth plan for the region that is going to be extremely relevant, especially for investments. But there is also a lot of work that needs to be done by the countries themselves. The European Union can support, can give instruments and accompany the process, but cannot substitute the candidate country's willingness and work to enter. So I think it's work that needs to be done on the two sides. The message I would like to send to the young people in the Western Balkans is not to lose hope and faith in their countries acceding the European Union. I know it has been a long journey, and probably it will still be a little bit long, especially for some countries, but not to lose hope and not to lose the target, not to lose faith in reaching that target, because I believe without the energy, the determination, the motivation of the younger generations, this would be much more difficult. The younger generations are those that have the more to gain in terms of rule of law, democracy, human rights in their own countries and in the region, in terms of economic opportunities, in terms of educational opportunities, standards, and also the security of the environment in which they're living. So I think that the younger generations are the ones that have more at stake in this process, and I hope that they will be also the main drivers. So my message is, don't lose hope on your country to join the European Union, and study hard to prepare for making this happen.